Welcome to the nightmare that is day 2. So this is what it currently looks like. There are tools everywhere. Yeah, so, and I expected tools. What I did not expect was that god-awful blue color. My neighbor told me that the original owners painted that color, but I was like, surely it can't be that bad. Well, it's bad. It looks blue on the screen, but in person it is actually turquoise green. It's incredible. So anyway, so this was where the microwave was, my oven, my cooktop, you know, that area that you saw in the before. And this is where all my pantry cabinets were. Were. So yeah, tools everywhere. Hey, that's mine. Anyway, so these guys are doing a fantastic job so far. Oh, there's I think that's the dishwasher. I think that's our oven. But yeah, this is where the island was. So you can see here where the lighter color flooring, that was the original shape of the island, if that makes sense. So they drew it out. So if you follow that original shape, like this was the sink right here, and this is where the stools were. If you follow the color of the flooring, you can see how much wasted space there was. Like all in here and all the way across, that was just like open space, which is fine. However, when the oven was over here, and I'm only 5'2", so taking something out of the oven and walking 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 4.5 steps to set it down was a bit much. So we actually have, you could see here in the differences of the flooring, the cabinets will end here. I'll have this little walk space, and then the new island will be right where that line is. So yeah, that's day 2. As you can see, it's still dark outside. I think it's 20 minutes to 7. The plumber is coming today. So for the boring stuff, I mean, I don't know why all those holes are there, but I'm sure there's a reason. He's going to move that pipe from there to somewhere over here because the sink is going to be right in here. So, yeah. So I thought I would do this before they get here and start making some noise. And oh my goodness, the noise. It was incredible. I don't know what I expected, but geez, on mackerels. But anyway, so that is the beginnings of day 2. Stay tuned for later today for hopefully some more progress. I don't know what kind of progress we're going to see today, but I am going to leave you with a picture of that beautiful wall. So yeah, thanks everybody. Have a good day. Bye.